You know this beautiful stuff, brioche, right? We use it sometimes.
Have it in my freezer currently.
Well, this is the perfect way to use it. You cut it into nice thick pieces, and then you make this kind of almond mixture, which
Like
I'm going to show you how to make. It's like a paste. You spread it over, and then you put almonds on
Like
top.
in an almond croissant.
Right.
Yeah.
This is called a Bostock, right? And
I've
no
never
one's heard of
that.
it, right? So you take almond flour, which looks just like this. A little bit of flour, it's like two teaspoons of flour, a little bit of cornstarch, you mix that together, one of those.
This is how we make the paste?
That's how you make the paste.
Okay.
Then you cream butter and sugar separately, right?
Okay.
So it looks like this. Okay, so you cream that up. You add an egg and a little bit of almond extract.
Okay, and you want the egg in there?
You break that egg in there,
Okay.
gorgeous. So you whisk all of that together, right? So just sugar, butter, and egg.
And the
Stir that baby
almond
up.
flour. with-
Almond flour. And then once that sort of comes together, you go ahead and combine the almond flour as well. So you can dump that
Dump
in
that
now,
right
right?
in.
All right. You're like, this is going to go everywhere. The syrup. Well, the syrup is over here.
Syrup.
It's just a little bit of water, a little bit of orange juice, some orange zest, which we stick on the microplane, and some sugar. You bring that to the boil. It comes down to be like this, right?
So confused.
So because we're talking about a day-old brioche, right? So it's a little drier.
So you got to put a little moisture on it.
Little moisture on there. So a little syrup.
Okay.
You could use a maple syrup as
Then
well.
put this on here?
Then spread that on nice and thick, right?
Nice and thick, okay.
Then you take almonds, right?
Okay.
You go ahead, you cover this with fresh almonds that are sliced, obviously, right? You cover those bad boys, and then you
Mom's going to have to spend a week and a half at the gym after this.
It's like a cross. I was trying to think what it was a cross between, like a croissant or French toast, right? Because it gets really crispy in the oven. So you go ahead once you've generously covered that with almonds.
All right.
You stick the whole thing in
the
oven, right? It comes out, so 300 and...
You take the done one, I'll put this in. Oh, those are gorgeous.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
Wow.
Now,
Pop them on here.
it is so good, you guys.
Crazy.
You're going to love it.